Hi, I am Tanish. Today I am going to perform an experiment with funnel, lighter, balloons and water. I am going to take the funnel and place it on the balloon. Now I will pour water inside one balloon. Now I am going to blow air into the balloon. Now I will blow air into the second balloon. Now I will take the lighter and place the balloon on fire. As you can see that this balloon has bursted. Now let's take the balloon filled with water. As you can see that this balloon is not bursted. The reason behind this is that the balloon was not getting the appropriate amount of the heat, and the heat from the balloon was transferring to the water inside the balloon, so the balloon was not getting appropriate amount of heat, so it can burst. Thank you. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends and family members, and write down in the comments what would you like to see in the next video.